What's going on, guys? Joe G here, and thanks for stopping by my channel. We are back with another demo vid. Today we're going to be taking a look at T-Sky Fireworks 200 gram cake called Problem Child. Check that out. Look at that artwork. And this demo is being sponsored by our friends at Blazing 7 Fireworks. Make sure you stop by Blazing 7 for all your firework needs this upcoming New Year's season. Guys, this is a pretty heavy little 200 gram cake there. So let's take a look at the performance. You got screaming to red and silver strobe, two-stage whistling with long crackling tail, brocade crown with blue star, fast shooting, screaming to flower crackling as finale. Lots of variety and long duration as a 200 gram cake. So we'll see how long it actually is. But like I said, this one does have some weight to it. All right, guys, let's go check it out.